टू वन वी आर रोलिंग। रोल तो कैमरा होता है। एक मिनट, हमारा माइक रोल कर रहा है, कोई बात नहीं।
Hello G, welcome back to another episode of the podcast. Another day, another crypto video. So the big question is this a full-time crypto podcast? Actually, no. I personally wanted to make some crypto videos. So the first episode was sort of an explanation so the Nanni Munni audience that we have knows the context and knows what's happening here. Baki, in the long run, there is no plan to restrict this podcast just to crypto. We'll be talking about anything that comes to our mind, yaar. Koi chill hai yaar, koi tension nahi hai. So please don't typecast us. Thank you. So starting with today's topic. So before we begin, I just want to say that what I feel is that these millennials have become all financially aware and everything. They have started investing and all. But all of it roots back to those stupid memes, because on one hand we are celebrating decentralized finance, we are celebrating privacy, security, decentralized social platforms, smart contracts, whereas on the other hand we are rooting for dog meme tokens. What? And that is so fun yet mature, and that is the cool part. Wow. So basically today we'll be talking about the fourth pillar of crypto. After privacy, security and investment, yes, we have the memes and the slangs and the acronyms. And why I'm saying this, because seeing the market volatility, we live in the world जहाँ पे news बाद में आती है और memes पहले आते हैं. So if you want to read the short term, the short-lived speculation of the market, you gotta know these acronyms, these slangs. You gotta read those tweets, those Reddit posts, those memes, all of it. So these are the top slangs, the top crypto lingo and acronyms that you need to know. Starting with the OG crypto acronym, HODL. HODL was originated back in the day when Bitcoin forums was a thing, and the one who wrote it misspelled hold as HODL, but it eventually became a thing and finally an acronym for hold on for dear life. It refers to an act where you hold a cryptocurrency no matter what the risk. Hold it for the long term. The next is a no-coiner. A no-coiner is any person who doesn't hold any amount of a certain cryptocurrency. Next is FOMO. Clearly FOMO didn't originate from the crypto scene, but it is widely used, and of course it's an acronym for fear of missing out, and is generally referred when you don't get to pick up a crypto before its price hike. The next one is to shill. To shill is to promote or hype a cryptocurrency to raise its price. You have seen Elon Musk's Twitter, right? Yeah, that's it. Exactly. Wahi hai. So the next are diamond hands, and diamond hands refer to a person who holds no matter what. No matter what the market situation is, no matter what the risk is, they hold for dear life and for long term. The opposite of diamond hands, yeah, FUD. FUD or fear, uncertainty and doubt. Something that most of us are going through right now after the 2021 market crash. Hello, same here. The next one and another hype term is shitcoin, and shitcoin refers to any cryptocurrency that has no project behind it, that is solving no problem, and the only reason that it exists is pump and dump. And that brings us to the next. Pump and dump is sort of a price manipulation strategy where a bunch of individuals decide कि ये एक cryptocurrency है, इसको pump करना है, hype करना है और इसका price actually इतना ऊपर लेके जाना है, so much more than it actually deserves, and then they gain the profits and get out of the investment scene, whereas the actual investors lose a lot of money. And that's why those investors are called ape. Ape, a term used for people who invest in any cryptocurrency without doing actual personal research. So please do your own research. Varna you know what they're gonna call you, please. So if I explain shitcoin, I might as well explain what are altcoins and stablecoins here. Altcoins or alternate coins are some cryptocurrencies who are trying to solve a problem. For example, Ethereum is working with smart contracts, or the NFT space is mostly working under Ethereum, whereas it's also expanding under ADA, Cardano and Zilliqa. But all of these different projects are trying to solve a problem other than just being a currency, just like Bitcoin. So that's why they are called altcoins or alternative coins. Whereas stable coins such as USDT or USDC are as the word says, stable. Their price won't fluctuate as much as other currencies do. Even after this market crash that we have seen, their price still remains the same. So the point is, if you want to store your money just keeping in cryptocurrency, you can go for one of these stable coins. Another famous one is the whale. The whale refers to a person who owns large amount of cryptocurrencies. This can be an elite individual or an institution, but they own a lot of cryptocurrencies no matter, and with the size and the power of their ownings, they can fluctuate the market just the way they want to. And that brings us to the last and another hyped slang of the day, to the moon. That refers to when a cryptocurrency's price skyrockets. It creates a drastic spike and a major positive change. So with that, this is the end of the podcast. I was planning more of these short evergreen videos. I actually thought of doing more about the market and what is the market situation, but you know that is very short lived. आज मैं शूट करूँगा, कल एडिट करूँगा, परसों पोस्ट करूँगा, तब तक मार्केट की पूरी सिचुएशन ही चेंज हो जाएगी. So that style of content is very short lived. But if you want me to talk about something, anything specific, you can mention in the comments below, and yeah, we can do that. That is cool. So now this is the end of this one. Bye bye.